How to create animal educational skeleton videos like these. Watch this video carefully. Recently, I found a new YouTube channel that makes educational videos about animals. It's similar to those skeleton education videos. And with just 13 videos, this creator has gained more than 50,000 subscribers in a few days. So I am going to teach you how to create these types of videos using 100% free AI tools that get millions of views. First, open Chat GPT and go to Explore GPTs. Search for the GPT model called X-ray Animal Reference and select it. Click Start Chat and type in an animal, for example, dog. You'll get 4 text-to-image prompts back. Copy one of those text-to-image prompts and head over to Grok AI and open the Text-to-Image or Imagine section. Paste that copied prompt into the text box and click Generate. After a few seconds, you will get a green screen skeleton-style image of the dog. Download the image you like the most. In the same way, copy the remaining prompts one by one from ChatGPT and paste them into Grok AI to generate front view and side view images. Download all of them. These green screen images will act as your sample images and you can reuse them for your entire channel in future videos. Now to generate full scenes with proper backgrounds, head back to ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs again. This time, search for a different GPT model called Animal X-ray Shorts and select it. Click Start Chat and type in what you want to see. For example, a dog eating a steak. You'll get 6 text-to-image prompts this time. Copy the first text-to-image prompt and go back to Grok AI. Paste the prompt in and upload the reference images you made earlier. You can randomly use any image from those 4. Click Generate and your full background scene image will be ready. Download it and repeat the same process for all the remaining scene prompts until all your images are generated. After generating all the images, we will convert them into videos. Now, open Grok AI's image to video feature and upload the first scene image. In the prompt box, describe the motion of your story in simple words. For example, the dog sniffs a steak before biting. Then click Generate and download the video. Once you've done this with all your images, you'll have videos like these. The only thing left to do is go to 11 Labs Text-to-Speech tab, paste in a script you've written with ChatGPT, and click Generate Speech. Once you've got all your assets ready, drop everything into a video editing software and put it all together. And that's how you get a result like this.
Day 1, you give your dog a steak. He sniffs it, then bites. Day 2, he doesn't wait. He eats like it's the last meal on earth. A week later, his belly grows faster than his tail wags. What you feed your dog feeds what he becomes.
You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.